Hi everyone, your doctor is here again with some new videos. So today I have three phones to say about. It's from the LG and it's mid-range smartphones. So first let us talk about the names of these phones. These are LG K61, LG K51s and LG K41s. The main thing in this phone as we can see is it has a 4000 mAh battery and a quad camera setup at the back. So let's talk about its highlights. The LG K51 is powered by a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. All three phones features NFC support and USB Type-C port. Well, these are good points to see NFC and USB Type-C. The LG K61 has a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratios. So let us talk about the details of these phones. So LG released three smartphones from the K series: the LG K61, the LG K51s, and the LG K41s. All the three phones features quad camera setup, 6.5 inches display, and a 4000 mAh battery. The phones comes with fingerprint scanner in the back and a military standard 810G compliant. Additionally, these packs USB Type-C ports and have microSD card for storage expansions. The LG K61 is the most premium of the lot, as it is offers 48 megapixel main camera at the back and 16 megapixel front camera for the selfies and video shooting. The prices of the LG K61, LG K51s, and the LG K41s have not been revealed, but the company has said that these phones are expected to be available sometimes in the second quarter of this year. The first market to receive all these phones is going to be the US, followed by the key market in Europe and Asia. The LG K61 is listed to come in titanium white and blue color option. The LG K51s will arrive in titanium, pink and blue color option, whereas the LG K41 will go on sale in titanium, black and white color options. Now speaking about the LG K61 features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with 19.5:9 aspect ratio and is powered by a 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. The phone packs with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB internal storage options. There is also a microcard slot available for expansion of storage up to 2 TB. The quad camera setup at the back of the LG K61 includes a 48 megapixel main camera, an 8 megapixel super wide camera, and a 2 megapixel macro shooter and a 5 megapixel depth camera. Up front, the phone comes with a 16 megapixel selfie camera. Along other specifications, there is a 4000 mAh battery inside the LG K61, and connectivity option includes NFC, LTE, Bluetooth version 5, dual band Wi-Fi, and more. The phone features 164.5 into 77.5 into 8.4 millimeters, and it comes with features like Google Lens, a Google Assistant button, a rear fingerprint sensor. As mentioned earlier, the LG K61 is also a military standard 810G compliant. Now talking about the LG K51's specifications. The LG K51s features a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus, not a Full HD Plus, it's an HD Plus display with a 20:9 aspect ratio and is powered by an unnamed 2.3 GHz octa-core processor. So we don't know the name or the company that is provided for the processors. There's a 3 GB of RAM on board and a 64 GB internal storage. Expansion of storage via microSD card slot up to 2 TB is also supported. The quad camera setup on the LG K51s includes a 32 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel super wide camera, a 2 megapixel macro shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Up front, the phone features a 13 megapixel selfie shooter. The LG K51s has the same 4000 mAh battery as the LG K61, and connectivity options includes Bluetooth version 5, NFC, USB Type-C port, LTE, Wi-Fi. The phone measures 16.5 centimeter into 7.6 into 8 centimeters. And the other features including rear fingerprint sensor, Google Assistant button, Google Lens, and military standard 810G rating. Now let's talk about the LG K41S specifications. The seemingly most affordable phone of the lot, the LG K41S features the same 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 20:9 aspect ratio as the LG K51S. It is powered by the 2.0 GHz octa-core processor and packs 3 GB RAM. Internal storage is offered at 32 GB, but there is a microcard SD card slot up to 2 TB to make up for it. The quad camera has a 13 megapixel main camera, a 5 megapixel super wide camera, a 2 megapixel macro shooter, and a 2 megapixel depth sensor. Up front, there is an 8 megapixel selfie just like the LG K51S. The LG K41S also packs a 4000 mAh battery and has the same mm, military standard. So well, this was all about these three phones from the LG. Hope you have liked it, and if you like it, just give a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.